This is me right now before you glow up. Right now I'm at work, hiding in the bathroom. The girls who get it, and the girls who don't. I know there's a square ass box.
I can't. How does she even know what that is?
Bambi, that's a sticker. I feel bad because I didn't have time to get anything today at work. Shout out to you. Go follow her Twitter. So, I have a nail appointment tomorrow. And look at my nails right now. Dirty and nasty. This nail is very badly broken. Hope you guys can see that. But so hopefully they still do my nails anyway, because I don't got time. Oh, I cannot do your nail because this is broken. Do my fucking nail and shut up. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow when I get ready for my nail appointment at 9:30 a.m. Yeah. Hello. I'm finally off work. I haven't been on this vlog in like 2 days because I've been working for 2 days. Now I'm getting ready for my nail appointment. I haven't got my nails done in like a year. This will mark a year. I'm excited to have that new nail smell. I don't know. Don't mind my voice because in the morning I sound like a grown man, but it is what it is. Maybe I'm weird, but new nail smell good to me. And I hope they don't turn me around because my thumb is broken. It don't bother me, so it shouldn't bother them. I did my hair last night. I would have recorded it for y'all, but look, I DIY'd the freak out of this thing. You wouldn't even believe half the stuff that I had to do to get my hair the way it is. Actually not, I did a DIY U-part wig, and if y'all wanna know how I did that, then just ask down in the comments and I'll record it. I think, no, they don't do lashes. That's the other place. This other place that I looked up did lashes, and I was like, oh, maybe I should get my lashes done, but that shit is $175. And I know how to do my own lashes, so that's what I'm gonna do when I get back home. I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick because I don't like my eyebrows looking a hot mess. Yeah, feel me? Got a damn unibrow right here. Y'all can't see it, but in real life, well, that thing thicker than Megan Thee Stallion. I like that basketball player. Last time I got my eyebrows done, they like this much of my eyebrow. They waxed half of that shit off. No, never coming back to y'all to get my eyebrows done again. And so, I never went anywhere again. I just did my own. And I feel like they're okay. I feel like I had a baby. No, I did the Freak Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick in the color Driver. I only put a little bit. Oh, it's by Maybelline. Maybelline. Yes. I only do a little bit at the top. Then blend that out. And then add it out down here. And there we go. I'm also gonna put some of this, I know this is too light for me, foundation. I'm gonna cover up this because I hate this. Like, I popped it, but I be forgetting, like, when you pop shit, it don't always go away right after the fact. I don't care if the foundation is noticeable because I'd rather the foundation be noticeable than this damn pimple on my face. So, get it right, get it tight. Blend this out. I'm gonna define my beauty marks because due to my face having like freckles and dark marks, you can't really see where my beauty marks are. The only one you can really see is that one. I have one right here, then I have one on my nose, then I have one right here, then I have one right here. And that's where all my beauty marks are. You can really see that foundation, but it don't matter. And then I'm done with that. I've been trying to find my mascara for the longest. Let me see. I just cannot find it. Oh well. Oh well. But I'm pretty sure it rules. Damn. Last Friday night, tabletop, something. I be singing the Sims version because, baby, I don't know the words. So, this is the hair. I really hope this shit don't frizz up when I go outside because I don't have time. I'll put that shit right in a bowl. Right now, I'm gonna go outside, crank up the car, and I'll meet y'all when I get to the nail salon. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. I hope no tracks are showing because I really could care less. Just look at the front. Just look at what it was supposed to give. You know what I'm saying? Don't try to look for no tracks. Like, damn. I got options, and I don't wanna tell you drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Maybe you can give us something. Baby, you run out of time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you right in my space. Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I'm doing my appointment. And now, I'm just waiting on T. Because I tried to call Uber, and that man was looking mad weird, like, it was the side eye towards the camera for me, and I was just like, no, sir. No, sir. I'm going to show y'all my nails more when I get back home. Just to be going nowhere. Anyway, I'm going to show y'all my nails more when I get home. Okay, this one a brick, that one a op, that one a lick. I'm back home. Hair still intact. Like, what? Can you even tell where my real hair is? I'll wait. Well, not right there, because these are the nails. Ooh, I need lotion. Damn. I should have asked what that girl's name was. She followed me on Instagram, so her Instagram will be over here. She did a very good job. She did my toes, too. I'm going to show y'all that. She was just very precise on how she did the shape. She did it good. So shout out the girl at Eyelash Nails. I forgot to ask her name. I'm sorry.
Hey. How y'all doing?
Sorry, I fell asleep. I fell all the way asleep on y'all. Like, I ate my food, then I was gone. So now I'm gonna do my lashes. I haven't done my lashes in so long. If y'all want a video on how I do my lashes, just let me know. I got long, medium, and short. It's from the brand IMB. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do real quick. I'm listening to my music, vibe out, and yeah.
Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling.
This is the end result. This is with the eyes closed. This is with the eyes open. And I like them. I like this eye better because it's a little thinner. But I might go back and add some more to this eye anyway. But I like them. I like them a lot. I'm gonna take my hair down real quick. So now I'm gonna do a little face mask real quick. Simply because I want to. Let's do that. I'm gonna do this one instead because I already washed my face this morning. And that mask is not really good for me. So, whoop. Okay, let me wipe off my lips. Today I'm gonna be using the Global Beauty Care Gold Lip Mask. I bought this like a couple weeks ago and never used it. I never did a lip mask before, so we're gonna see how it works. Ew, this feels nasty. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it on my lips.
If your girl only knew that you was trying to get me.
This is nasty. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It feels kind of good though. Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes. I look like Big Ange.
They bought me nice houses, gorgeous furs.
R.I.P. Big Ange. I think I want to use this one, but I already got this one on now, so. Alright, I'm gonna wait 10 15 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright, the timer's not up yet. That's nasty. My lips still feel fucking dry. I'm gonna wipe this off because it said if you leave it on for too long, it causes allergic reactions. I'm like, no. I did my eyebrows a little quick earlier this morning, but I think I'm gonna leave them like this because I don't think I need to do anything else. So, I know I'm looking crazy, but that's the end of this vlog, you guys. I'm not digging in my nose. I'm just trying to turn mind your business. That's the end of this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Support your girl. If you don't want to see more of me now, you'll want to see more of me later. And promise me, you will. I like how all the girlies are saying it now. But, alright. See y'all later.
Got a plan, trying to get out of set like every man.